name is Terry Strand. I had a total knee replacement done by Dr. Zimlich. What brought me into Lowcountry Orthopaedics was 15 years ago, I had my left knee replaced. The recovery time was so long and it was so painful. Physical therapy was just torture. I thought, oh my God, I couldn't believe people actually were doing both knees at the same time. So, that was what I was anticipating with this surgery. And so I had to get to the point where I really couldn't walk before I had it done so that I was mentally ready, to go through recovery. And it was such a surprise. I didn't feel like I'd had surgery. I thought, this is like a procedure. It was so fantastic. I had made arrangements for my daughter to come and stay with me. She had taken a family leave of absence. On day 3, I threw away the cane and the walker, and we ended up going on a cruise because there wasn't anything for her to do. She's like, what am I doing here? And so at a month, we were on a cruise, and I was walking and doing everything. It was incredibly easy. So that's sort of the reason why I kept saying, oh my God, I have to tell someone about this. This is the most ridiculous thing. My recovery was perfect. In 3 days, I was off pain medicine and, just on like ibuprofen. I had almost full range of motion in 2 weeks with physical therapy. I still don't believe that I had my knee replaced. That's the truth, because it just seemed like I had a procedure. And Dr. Zimlich he has a history of doing an excellent job. His surgeries go well. In my case, it went very well. The scar is almost non-existent because he does such a good job.